Puppets have been around since time immemorial. They have brought joy to children and families all over planet Earth. We found them in fun fairs, circuses, and theatre halls all over the world. Now Tex Johnson, Tony Scully Cooper, his business partner, and their music video production team at Broadcast King are bringing puppet music videos to the world of hip-hop and rap in a very big way. Let me introduce you to the Rap Puppet Club. We're all used to seeing the tough and sexy side of hip-hop, but now Tex Johnson wants to add an element of fun, joy, and laughter with our rap puppet music videos. However, don't get it twisted. Our rap puppets are as cool, as bad, and as sexy as the coolest and baddest human rappers you'll find. But don't take our word for it. Let me introduce you to the first 10 new signings to Rap Puppet Records.
My name is MC Big Dog, and when it comes to rap, I'm a real guard.
My name is DJ Mikey Phone. I'm a bad mother puppet on a microphone. Just call me the Rap Master Boogie. Bad ass MC, don't fear nobody. If you wanna get some, anybody can. Got the mic in my hand, I'm Kenny the man.
I'm the lyrical king, I'm rapper Gold Chain, the best MC in the whole rap game.
I'm the baddest in the hood, on the planet, in the street. Call me the daddy, call me Daddy Beats.
Call me MC Hoodie, call me MC Hoodie. I'm always ready, with beats to kill anybody.
I'm DJ Cool, DJ Cool Cat. I'm the king of rap, everybody knows that. It's me, it's Freddie, hip hop, best battle rap puppet on any block.
They call me Rude Boy MC. Wanna rap beef, they could see me. We're the rap puppets from the Rap Puppet Club. We make music that everybody loves. We're the rap puppets from the Rap Puppet Club. Love all the sisters, and we love you too, bro.
What is also unique about our Rap Puppet Music Video Club is this. Our music is exclusive to the Rap Puppet Club. Our tunes will not be found on Spotify, will not be found on Apple Music, will not be found on Amazon Music, will not be found on Google Play, and will not be found on Tidal. In fact, our music videos and audios will not be found on any other streaming service, digital download, or CD store. Our streaming business model is also completely different from other music, audio, and video streaming services. Why? Well, it's like this. When you pay your monthly subscription to access any month of audio and video content, you'll be able to stream and access that month's content for life. Yes, even if you cancel your membership, you will still be able to access any month of music videos and audios that you purchased for a lifetime. To learn more about this exciting and amazing project, carry on reading the page below. Thank you.